What's happening, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. I'm Buddy, and today we are going to throw my YZ300 together with the quickness. If you want to see a 150-hour review of this engine, click the card in the top right. Hope you all enjoy.
Yeah! They come all the way through?
All the way through there?
Yeah. There it is.
Don't wait, for me to get home. I don't know my way back home. The light broke at the end of the tunnel. I don't know, I'm out on my own. I can't find my way back home. So if you're looking for me, I'll be here in the street. And when you find me, I'll be kicking the leash. I don't know my way back home. The light broke at the end of the tunnel.
If you've ever had to install exhaust springs with pliers, you'll understand the pure joy in this next clip.
I don't know. I'm out on my own. I can't find my way back home. In these streets, I feel alright. I think I finally found life. In these woods, I'm free inside, and I don't wanna see
Hope you all enjoyed this quick edit of assembling my YZ300. This footage was actually taken right before the Loretta Lynn's fall trail ride last year, and I finished my bike the same day I left to go up there. Luckily, everything's held together, and I've already put 45 plus hours on this top end. If you enjoyed the video, tell a friend and subscribe to the channel. I drop one video a week of two-wheel related content. Thanks for wrenching on brappies with me today, y'all. Till next time.
Yeah, boy. I think it's gonna run, y'all. I think she's gonna run.